co-creators, London is under storm alert. Totally stop. There's absolutely no tubes, no buses. Look at this. Oh my god. This is crazy. I can't believe it. I'm prepared, you know, I got my shoes on. But this is, I mean, Londoners are gonna wake up a couple of hours. Right now it's about 6 o'clock. Not even quite 6 a.m. There's no buses, nothing. And going back at home. What can I do? This is fun, this is abundant, this is playful. And I'm gonna do some snow angels. Yeah. Look at this. Man, oh man. London under the snow. Bye. See ya. Woo.